April 19th, Thursday, at St. Mary of the Woods. My mom's playing the accordion. Talk of the town. She's loving it. Talk of the town. Mom, look at me. You're so cute. Good job. I love that song. Talk of the town. Everybody knows you left
me.
It's
the talk of
the town. Yahoo! Okay, you got to play a polka for Jennifer.
I don't know if I know it.
The beer, whatever polka, Ma. Da, 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 da. She's playing since 16. Okay, what about the Todd and Dell, Ma? That's Italian. You hear that play? Yeah. There you go. That's the key.
I haven't played that for 50 years.
Keep going. Da da da. Then you start again. Da 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 da. This is the crazy dance after everybody's drunk. Good job. Okay, now you have to play Back to Sorrento or Santa Lucia. Lucid when she plays her music. Knows you left me. How privileged you are right now. This is greatness at its best. She's 84 years old. And is in a coma for October. Everybody knows you left me. You gotta play another one.
Huh?
We have to play one more song because I don't know whatever song you play that again. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Okay, we'll play one more song, Ma. Play one more song.
Can I play this one?
Yeah, you played that before, but play it again. Da-da. did you do that standing up when you were younger?
What?
How did you stand up and play that accordion? That's heavy.
I used to do that for by 3 and 4 hours at a time.
Oh my God. What did you play? Any love songs or ballads?
I played everything, Lovey. I don't do that anymore because I don't have.
Ma, did you play Italian songs like
Definitely.
play
Sorrento
Come to
and-
Sorrento? Can you play it? Darendelle. Probably come back to Sorrento.
Honey,
Just
I
try.
haven't played that for a long
Ma,
time.
you used to play Twilight Time.
I'm not gonna sit here and play all night.
No, you don't have to.
I can't even find it.
Up higher. There you go.
I'm not gonna play because I don't want to.
Okay,
I
that's-
do something I want to do.
All right, then how about just... She likes this song. She remembers it the most. Talk of the Town.
I already played this tonight.
That's okay. We like it. Play it, son. You gotta sing it now. I don't know the words. Everybody knows. Yay, Mama, so nice. That was so nice, Mom. We love you. You sound good, Kuma.
Hey, Lovey.
Huh?
Haven't played. How many years?
Hey, Ma, what about Santa Lucia? La, 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 la,
You
la.
can't sing it to me. I
La,
play by music. I don't play
la.
by ear.
Mom, sing it. Ma. La, 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 la.
There's a piano here?
La, 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 la,
piano?
la. Downstairs.
Oh.
La, 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 la.
I'm not playing anymore of.
Oh, Mom, please.
Avi,
I'll
I've
cry.
played for years.
I'll cry. Ma, I'm leaving.
I'll play for you at home on my own
I'm
accordion.
leaving tomorrow. You have to play. Stop. Now. Don't
When
put.
we get home, I'm going to pull
Ma,
the accordion,
da,
and I'm going to
da,
play till you go
da,
to bed.
da,
I'm going to play real loud.
Da, da, da. Oh, she's quitting. She's packing it up. Jen will
What
take it,
happened
Ma.
to the straps to close us?
There wasn't one, Ma. They didn't have one. We've got it at a garage sale.
No, they had them because the things are over here.
Ma, I know, but it broke. Roselle got that at a garage sale, so that didn't
When did
have it
Roselle
on.
do what?
She bought that at a garage sale
How come it's here then? If
because
bought
she
it.
brought it here so you could play it. Isn't that nice of her?
Yeah, it was real nice.
Well, it's not that like yours. Yours is $2,000 worth of accordion.
No, it was more than that.
Okay, it goes in that closet, Jen, right behind on the floor. You just walk straight and put it on the